Today, I'm riding the Honda SP125 Tweet, and the big question is, does it still make sense in 2020X, or is it just another overrated commuter bike? First impressions? Honestly, it's classic Honda. Super refined engine, almost zero vibrations at city speeds, and that smooth 5-speed gearbox just makes daily riding effortless. If you're commuting in traffic every day, this bike feels light, easy, and very forgiving. In terms of features, the 2026 update brings a more modern feel. Digital console, Bluetooth connectivity on higher variants, USB-C charging, and better overall tech. It finally feels a bit more premium commuter than before. Now the mileage. This is where it still dominates. You're realistically looking at around 60 to 65 kmpl, which is honestly hard to beat in this segment. But it's not perfect. The suspension is a bit stiff, especially on rough roads, and it's not really a sporty machine. If you want aggressive performance, bikes like the Raider or Xtreme 125R will feel more exciting. So, final verdict. If you want reliability, comfort, and insane fuel efficiency, the SP125 2026 is still 100% worth your money. But if you want thrill, look elsewhere.